over 40 years, Micron has been a world leader in innovative memory solutions, transforming how the world uses information to enrich life for all. 2.5 quintillion bytes of data is stored, shared, and streamed every single day. It's all around us, in our connected devices, machines, and gadgets. It's captured in our data centers, stored in a cloud, and surging through networks. The story of every Micron chip starts on the design board, where engineers lay out billions of electronic components using computer-aided design tools to determine how the memory chip should be constructed. It can take years of research, thousands of process steps over months to build a single chip. Join us on a virtual tour of Micron's global assembly and test manufacturing process. After front-end fabrication, wafers are transferred using an automated material handling system to the component assembly area to begin the wafer thinning step. A chemical polishing process ensures uniform wafer thickness before being attached to an adhesive backing and split into individual dies using a diamond-edge saw. For the die attach process, good dies are picked by a robot arm from the wafer and attached onto a circuit board. Gold wire is then used to establish connections. Finally, dies are being encased in protective packaging at the encapsulation step, ready to be tested. Every Micron chip undergoes rigorous testing under accelerated stress conditions like extreme heat to ensure the highest quality. Additional speed testing is carried out to verify that each part meets or exceeds the required speed specifications. Each qualified part will be laser marked with part numbers and key identifying information, optically scanned and inspected to ensure strict fit and form specifications. Many of Micron's finished components go into memory modules and solid-state drives, where automated surface mount equipment assembles memory and other components onto printed circuit boards. The final products will be packed using an automated packaging system for shipment to our customers. Micron is happy to announce its plans to build a new semiconductor assembly and test facility in India. Located in the Sanand Industrial Park in Gujarat, Micron will invest $825 million to build and operationalize the facility over the next few years. Built and operated with our sustainability goals in mind, the new leading-edge DRAM and NAND assembly, testing, marking, and packaging facility will be 500,000 square feet initially and will create up to 5,000 new Micron jobs and 15,000 community jobs over the next several years to meet future industry demand. At Micron, we value collaboration because that's where the best ideas are born. Our team members, partners, customers, and leadership work closely together to deliver our products. We set a high bar for ourselves and our industry because transformation always starts from within.